Hey, this is Chris from Papershift, and I'm going to show you how to use the Sandbox mode. The Sandbox mode is for when you're planning your week or months, but you don't want the employees to see the plan because it's not finished yet. So let's have a look in this account. We have this plan which I haven't finished yet, and I want to activate the Sandbox mode. Click here on Actions and click Sandbox mode. Click Add Range to decide the date range that the Sandbox mode should apply to. You can also select which working areas that should apply to. So I'm going to say I'm planning for October. And you can also set a date when this should expire. So I've now activated that, and I'll just refresh so that it comes into the calendar. And we can see that this bar at the top is yellow, which means that the Sandbox mode is on for this week. What that means is that the employees can't see any shifts for this week because you're still planning them. So let's finish the plan. There we go. And I now want to remove the Sandbox mode so the employees can see their shifts. Click Actions again, Sandbox mode, and then just remove. And now the employees can see their shifts and get to work. Any questions, just give us a call.